So in this video, I'm quickly going to show you how to get the best discount available for Surfshark VPN. I managed myself to get $37 off of my own subscription, so this video is going to run you through step by step the process on how to do the same. Before we dive into it, you don't need to enter any discount codes or anything like that, but the way it works is the discount is in the form of cashback, which essentially means that Surfshark will automatically pay you back a decent sized percentage of the subscription after checking out. So what you'll need to do to get the discount cashback offer is go to a website called TopCashback, and you can find the link below in the description to sign up. But TopCashback, to quickly explain, is a cashback website which provides cashback discounts on all sorts of online shopping. Plenty of things from hotels and flights are all listed on here, including, of course, cashback offer for Surfshark VPN, which is what we'll cover in this video. But once you've clicked the link below, you should come across a landing page which looks similar to this. So from here, you'll just want to go ahead and sign up. It is also worth mentioning as well, for using my link in the description, you'll also be eligible for a free £10 sign up bonus as well. So click the link below, and then once you've signed up, we can then go through step by step on how to claim your Surfshark discount. Once you've signed up, you should be pulled through to the home dashboard. And from here, because you want Surfshark, we'll just want to go ahead and search for it at the top. This should then pull you through to the page where you can then go ahead and click on the Surfshark listing. As you can see, the current discount is 42% cashback. So this, of course, means if you were going to purchase a $100 subscription, you would then get $42 of your subscription paid back to you after checking out. So to claim the cashback discount, you'll just want to click on the red button that says get up to 42% cashback. From here, it should then pull you through to the Surfshark website where you can then go ahead and pick the right subscription that's right for you. Obviously, keep in mind that the cashback offer is only available on one occasion, so for the best deal, you'll likely want to opt for an annual plan. It still does provide cashback on monthly subscriptions, but it'll only cash back the first month for you. So for the best deal, I'd probably advise a 12 or 24 month plan, as that way you get the cashback offer for the entire year or 2-year subscription. For example, this 12-month plan costs £40 for the entire year. So that means purchasing this, you'll get 40% of that back, which after some quick maths comes to £16 in cashback, therefore making the actual price of this £24 for the entire year. But once you've decided on the package, you will then just want to go ahead and check out like normal. There's no need to enter any coupon codes or anything like that. As long as you make the purchase through the same tab TopCashback opened up, it will track the sale. And then once you've purchased your subscription, you should then be pulled through to the Surfshark account where you can then go ahead and download it. In regards to your cashback, you should receive an email from TopCashback within 5 to 10 minutes, similar to this, to say that your sale has been tracked and is eligible for cashback. But once you've received the email, you'll then want to load into TopCashback dashboard, and then you should see a pending amount in your account from Surfshark with how much you're due to be paid back. Again, the amount can vary depending on the package, but if the cashback offer was 42% cashback, you should then receive 42% back of whatever you paid. And then once you see the pending amount, that is it, and you've successfully earned cashback, therefore a discount on your Surfshark subscription. It can take a few weeks for it to be paid out, but as long as you keep an eye on your TopCashback account, you should be notified on when you are able to receive a payout on it. They also do have an iPhone and Android app, which I would also recommend downloading, as that is a useful way of tracking your cashback status. But other than that, that is pretty much it, and then you can go ahead and enjoy Surfshark knowing you've received a cashback discount on your annual or yearly plan or whatever it is you've got. If you have found this video helpful, please leave a like, and thanks again for watching.